Good morning children, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So in the last video we have started chapter number 9. We have discussed several formulas related to perimeter of closed figures, isn't it? And we have solved question number 1, which was finding the perimeter of rectangle. Now students, in today's video we are going to begin with question number 2, that is find the perimeter of the squares with following sides. And in the last video we have discussed the formula for perimeter of square also, isn't it? So how to calculate perimeter of square? Perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. Let us start students. So first point is 12 centimeter. I have already written here. Perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. Students, you have to write this formula for each and every point. But for now I am just writing the complete formula for the first one and simply I will solve. But your work, you are going to write the formula for each point. Okay, so 4 into side. Now here side is given 12 centimeter. So I will write 4 into 12 centimeter. So students, 12 fours are how much? 12 fours are 48. So we got our answer, that is 48 centimeter. Okay, next side of the square given is 35 centimeter. Then again I will write perimeter equals to 4 into side. Just in short I am writing, you have to write in full. So that means 4 into 35 centimeter. Now let us multiply 35 with 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry over, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. I got 140 centimeter. Clear students? Then the points which I have left, your work, you are going to do it as homework. After this, I am going to explain you point number G. Here the side is given in decimal. Okay, you can see 6.34 centimeter. So a square is having 6.34 centimeter as its side. Again, let's calculate the perimeter. So perimeter equals to 4 into side. That's why 4 into 6.34 centimeter. Let's again multiply students. 4 fours are 16, 1 carry over, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry over, 4 6s are 24, 25. So I got 2 5 3 6. Now we have to place the point. Now we have seen this in decimal chapter, how to place the point when you multiply. So here you can see after point 2 digits are there. That's why in answer also you are going to put before, you are going to place point before 2 digits. Understood students? So the final answer is 25.36 centimeter. One more question we will see here. H point 18.2 centimeter. Okay, 18.2 centimeter is the side. So again perimeter equals to 4 into side, then 4 into 18.2 centimeter. Again let's multiply first. Let's put the unit. Okay, it is must. Then 4 2s are 8 point, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry over, 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7. So I got 72.8 centimeter as the perimeter for the following square. So students, this is question number 2. Now copy it, then we will see question number 3. So students, question number 3, find the perimeter of the triangles. Here the 3 sides are given. So what is the formula to calculate perimeter of triangle? Perimeter of triangle equals to sum of all the 3 sides, that is A plus B plus C. So again you have to write the formula for each point. Let us see students. So here the 3 sides are given. So simply I will add 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. So 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. I got 12 centimeter as the perimeter of the triangle. Then point B and C will be your homework. D point we are going to see where the 3 sides are given in decimals. Okay. So again 6.5 centimeter plus 5.4 centimeter plus 4.2 centimeter. Again students, when you add or subtract decimal numbers, you have to see whether the decimals are like decimals or not. If they are not like, you are going to make them like. Let us check here. After point 10th place, here again after point 10th place, here again after point only 10th place. That means the decimals are already like decimals. So simply add them. I am adding the 10th place first. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 2 11. Okay. Then point. Clear, na? Then 1 carry over, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You can write and calculate. I can orally calculate, so I am calculating. You should also know how to calculate orally, okay? So it will save your time. So students, the perimeter of the following triangle is 16.1 centimeter. So with this we have seen first 3 questions from exercise 1. Now from question number 4, step problems are there students. So be ready with your textbook. Question we are going to see from textbook, solution we will see here. Okay, let us start. First copy this. Let us see students, question number 4. The length and breadth of a swimming pool is 20 meters and 15 meters respectively. How much distance does Ravi cover by taking 2 rounds of the swimming pool? Okay students, so here the first line, length and breadth of swimming pool are given. Length and breadth means the swimming pool is in the shape of a rectangle. That's why it is having length and breadth. Okay, now Ravi wants to take 2 rounds of that swimming pool students. He will move around that swimming pool 2 times. So you have to tell how much distance he will cover. I'll explain you with one small figure. Suppose this is the rectangular swimming pool students. Okay, and here is Ravi. He will be taking 2 rounds of the swimming pool. This is the one round. Suppose for example it is of 20 meters. Okay, the total distance he has covered in one round is 20 meters. So same distance he will be covering 2 times. Na? So students, what you will do first to find out the total distance of the swimming pool, you will put the formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. You will find the perimeter of pool, and as Ravi has taken 2 rounds. So at last we are going to multiply the perimeter with 2. I hope the solution is clear to you. Now let us see also. Okay, let us see students. Here I have already written the steps. Length of swimming pool. Length of swimming pool is given 20 meters. Fine. Then breadth of the swimming pool is given 15 meters. Okay. Then students, what I have written, see, therefore distance covered by Ravi on taking 2 rounds of the pool is equals to 2 into perimeter of the pool. Just now I have explained you, first we will calculate the perimeter of the pool and then we will multiply it with 2. So let's see, perimeter equals to 2 into L plus B. So let us put the length and breadth. Length is 20 meters and breadth is 15 meters. Okay, then 20 plus 15 will give us 20, 30, 35 meters. So 2 into 35, how much students? 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 7. 70 meters is the perimeter of the pool. Now taking 2 rounds, distance covered. Taking 2 rounds, simply I am writing taking 2 rounds, distance covered. We have already written, we have already shown here 2 into perimeter of the pool. So simply here I will multiply 2 with the perimeter of the pool. So at 1 round Ravi is covering 70 meters. At 2 rounds he will cover 140 meters. Understood students? Okay, if you know the proper way, if you know the proper formula, then you can simply get the formula and you can get the answer. Okay, let us see the next question students. Question number 5. Ajay took a round of a square garden of length 16 meter. Now Ajay is taking the round of a square garden. It is very clearly given that the ground is in the shape of a square and its its length is 16 meter. How much distance will he cover to take a round of the ground? Okay students, if there is a square garden and its one side is of 16 meters. Okay, its one side is of 16 meters. As it is a square, so all the 4 sides will be of 16 meters only. Now Ajay is covering 1 round of the garden. So how to find how much distance he has covered? Obviously you will use the formula of finding perimeter of square. So see here I have written length of square ground. Length of square ground is 16 meters. Okay, then distance covered on taking a round of the garden will be equal to, okay, will be equal to perimeter of the garden. So perimeter equals to 4 into side. Now 4 into 16 meter you will do. So 16 fours are how much students? You should know the tables. Okay, 4 into 16 or 16 into 4 will give you 64 meters. So Ajay has covered 64 meters. Understood students? Copy this, then we'll see the next solution. So students, question number 6 is, a rectangular field is 50 meter long and 30 meter wide. Calculate the length of wire required to fence the field. In simple words, let us understand the question, students. A rectangular field is having length of 50 meters. Long means length is given to you. So length of rectangular field is 50 meters and it is 30 meter wide. WID. Wide again means breadth, students. Wide means width. Width means breadth. Okay. So wide, width means same only. It is breadth. So here in place of breadth I have written width. Okay. Width of rectangular field is given 30 meters. Fine. Then length of wire required to cover the field. Now if the field is in rectangular shape, you want to cover it with wire. That means you will put the wire all around it. So finding the measurement of all around the rectangular field, again you are going to calculate the perimeter. So I have written here length of wire required to cover the field is equals to perimeter of the rectangular field. Let us find out, students. 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 50 meters plus 30 meters. So 50, 60, 70, 80. On adding I will get 80 meters and on multiplying 2 into 80 how much? 160 meters. So the perimeter of the field or the wire required to cover the field will be of the length of 160 meters. Okay, question number 7, students. Find the perimeter of triangular garden of sides 15 meter, 7 meter and 9 meter. Okay. So perimeter of triangle is equals to all the sum of the three sides A plus B plus C. Let us see, students. Sides of the triangular garden I have written 15 meter, 7 meter and 9 meter. Clear? Then perimeter of the triangular garden is equals to A plus B plus C. Let us add all the three sides. So 15 meters plus 7 meters plus 9 meters. Okay, now let us add, students. So 15 plus 7 will give you 22. 22 plus 9 will give you 31. So students, the perimeter of the triangular garden is 31 meters. Note it down, then we'll see the next question. So students, question number 8 is the perimeter of square garden is 48 meters. What is the length of each side? This is a little bit different type of question, isn't it? Why it is little bit different? Because here you are not given with one side of the square, but you are given with the total of all four sides of the square, students. Why? Because it is very clearly given the perimeter of a square garden is 48 meter. So if its perimeter is given, that means the sum of all the four sides is given, isn't it, students? So this total 48 meter, which is the perimeter of square garden, is the total of all the four sides, isn't it? Then what you have to find? You have to find here length of each side. You have to calculate how much is the length of one side. So students, it's very simple how to calculate, because we know that each side is of same measurement, equal measurement for a square, and this is the sum of all the four sides. So what you are going to do? You will divide this 48 meter with 4. Okay. Then what will happen? This 48 will be divided into 4 equal parts and you will get the length of one side. Let us see. So here the formula that I will be writing will be perimeter divided by 4. Okay, students, perimeter divided by 4. That means 48 meter divided by 4. On dividing, what you will get? 4 ones are 4. You know na how to cancel. We have studied fraction chapter. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So students, its one side is of 12 meters and that's why all the four sides, 12 fours are how much? 12 fours are 48 meters. That's why the perimeter of this square garden, whose one side is of 12 meters, the perimeter of it is 48 meters. I hope the solution is clear to you. Okay students, now question number 9 will be your homework. Simple question. Find the perimeter of square whose sides are of the lengths given below. So simply the sides of square are given to you, you are going to find the perimeter for it. So that's all for today, students. In the next video we are going to work with exercise number 2. That's all for today. Thank you.